In WriterDuet, we keep your title page separate from your script so you can spend the most time possible focusing on your writing and the least time possible messing around with title page formatting. Your title page will automatically populate with information from the Project Info widget, which you can access through the Project Info and Docs tab on the left-hand side. There are a few different ways that you can access your title page. However, the easiest would just be to go down to the Docs widget and either click on the three-dot menu and hit Open, or simply double-click on the title page doc. There are a few different ways that you can access your title page. However, the easiest would just be to go down to the Docs widget and either click on the three-dot menu and hit Open, or simply double-click on the title page doc. We see that this will automatically pull in the project name and author's name. And you can also fill in the production company contact info in the lower left-hand corner if you wish. And that will give you a fully formatted title page. This title page will automatically attach to the front of any export you do as long as you have it enabled, which it is by default. To make sure that your title page is attaching to your exports, you can either do a quick export and make sure it's there, or go to the three-line menu. If you're using the hybrid layout, all of these menu options will be along the top of your screen here. And you just need to go to Customize, PDF, and make sure that title page, basic title page, is checkmarked. If you have a custom title page with artwork on it, for example, that you'd like to attach, you can hit Custom Title Page, and then click Choose File and upload the PDF version of your custom title page, which will then be attached to the front of every PDF export you do. However, if you don't have one, which by no means you need to, you can just make sure that basic title page is enabled, and that title page document will automatically attach to every PDF export.